So, my team want me to talk about today not just a card that they've asked me to pull for the week, but also for the energy that's going on at the moment. Because I've noticed today that a very strange energy seems to be happening, and all I can think of that is happening at the minute is we've just had that green comet come through, and we've also had the full moon is starting to come in over the next 48 to 24 hours, whichever way around you want to look at it. So the energy that I'm noticing, it's overwhelming. It's like as if something is moving forward really fast. And when I asked for a card, it was don't settle for less. Now, to me, when you get this card, don't settle for less, and it's from the Archangel Michael Sword of Light pack with Radley Valentine. Um, my view is that a lot of the world is thinking that they don't deserve things, or people don't believe they don't deserve things. So I'm going to sort of encompass it in one lump and ask my team to sort of try and cover the energy in that way, and also how these other energies are affecting us, because I'm noticing that it's like a sudden overwhelm of people wanting to get in touch, or they feel they need information now, or um, they're trying to change things that have been established and working into things that aren't. So there's all these different things that are going on that are destabilizing in a way. So I'm going to ask my team to come up with what's going on. Yes. What you must understand, there is a destabilizing, as you have said. And what this is, in some cases, is because people need to be pushed out of their comfort zone. People need to stop using the tried and tested and look for different avenues that they can work on. And that is why the do not settle for less needs to come into play. Because as you expand, as you go out into the world again and start to connect to different people, to different networks, you will notice that others will try and put you in a pigeonhole, we will call it. They will try and make you their own little person. And as whether you're a healer, a medium, a light worker, you must understand that this energy is not appropriate. You have been asked to come here to do a certain mission, and you will face these people constantly. These people who want you to make it easier for them if you are someone who is teaching. They want to make it more sellable because they want to make money rather than looking at the deeper mission that you are bringing in. Others will want to try and make you a certain type of person because they can connect with that type of person a lot easier, and it doesn't push them out of their comfort zone. And these are the things that you must look at as you move forward. What is happening with the people around you as your vibration changes? Because you will trigger people. You will trigger people into those types that have just been said. And so you must remain strong in your core. You must remain strong in your belief. You must remain strong in your connection to the divine energies. And even if you lose connection with your guides and helpers, you are always connected to the divine. So you must understand that that connection is the strongest of all, because it is called a dark night of the soul in some cases. Others, it is just a stepping back to allow your strengthening of the divine connection. But in all cases, remember you are never alone. You and the divine are one because you are the divine in physical form, experiencing a human life. And as part of this, you are given a mission. On the mission, it can be something as simple as just experiencing a 3D life. Others, it is bigger missions of helping others awaken and support them through this awakening, and so much more. And others are to help the earth heal, replenish, and rise in her vibration. So we ask you to look at yourself and see how the people around you, are they helping you, or are they trying to pull you into what they want you to be? And this is the thing, is why you need to, as we say, discern and check in with yourself. Discern through your heart. Does this feel right for me? Am I feeling happy and joyful when I'm talking about this? Or does my energy feel tight and bombarded by what this person, these people are saying to me? And that will help you to understand what needs to be done. Because many people are lost, and they feel that by going into the default of helping others, they feel that they are making a difference to their own pain. And in reality, what they are doing is pulling people away from what they should be doing. So, as always, we ask that you pull people into your light and send them healing and love, rather than allowing them to pull you into their darkness. Because being pulled into their darkness, unless that is your mission to walk with them and help them clear their energy, on the whole, what you should be doing, we ask, is that you send them healing and light. Help them to receive this healing and light. And they may not receive it. They may say, no, thank you, but it will remain in their aura until they are ready to receive it. And as this one student said to her, some of them may still not acknowledge that it was the healing that they were given that has made the change. They will decide it is something that they have changed in their health regime, or that it was God, or that it was whoever. But do not be upset, because the energy comes from the divine. And so the ones who say it was God are correct, but not at the level that they are talking about it. The divine is everything, and everything is the divine. So that is why when they finally accept, everything changes. And so we ask you to understand that that is what is going on around you. The energies are intensifying to push people out of their comfort zones, and asking you to do the same, but to remain centered and stable and grounded so that you can do what you are here to do, rather than do what others believe you should be doing. We will leave it there. So, going to be a lot of interference from people who think that they know what's best for you. So we ask, I always say we, because me and my team are becoming more and more one. We ask that you see yourself, what is best for you. Take the advice lovingly, say thank you very much, and very lovingly accept it. But at the end of the day, you are the person who needs to make that decision, and not to blame anyone, because your choice is what is going to take you to move forward. And that is why when you make the choice, you are in a space where you are getting all the right information before you check in and decide this is the right choice for me. And after you've tried it, if it still doesn't work, then make a new decision, make a new choice. That's what this world is all about. It's not about, I have to be this one thing. You can change your mind and become other things as you move along this path, because you will have a core mission, but how you achieve that mission is down to you and what you feel is best for you. Because so many people will tell you what is best for you and it's not. So we'll leave it there.